Go to Germany. While we're there, you can key a Mercedes. There, you go. People in New Zealand are very happy people. They like to have fun down there. They throw themselves off of bridges, you know, the bungee cord. They love to dangle off of bridges, you know, bounce up and down. Even when they have babies there now, they don't cut the umbilical cord for like a month. They let the baby dangle for a while. The babies love that. And then some people can't have fun unless they numb themselves with substance, you know, whether it's alcohol or whatever. I don't really do, you know, I know I'm on weeds, but I don't smoke pot. People think I do because I'm on that show. But when we smoke on there is a Honey Rose Herb, it's called. And we get it from the Honey Rose Herb cartel in Colombia. And so it's got a little bit of kick to it. I've tried ecstasy before, but only as a breath mint. And guess what? Curiously strong. Yeah, I had no complaints for like 8 hours, nothing. Just a couple of, hey, don't lick me. But, and I've never done coke in my life. I've never tried coke, and people believe me. I've been offered tons of coke in the 80s and 90s at a lot of these comedy clubs, especially this one. Well, back then I had very low self-image, and they would always bring the coke out on a mirror. I didn't want to see myself. If they brought it out on a breadboard, I'd be a cokehead today. And they'd have a lot of their nose left. But I'll tell you who's happy. My parents are happy. They're in their 80s, their mid-80s, and they're very, very happy. They've been married for 61 years. And they still hold hands, by the way. But I think that's to keep them falling over, to be honest with you. So they came out to visit because my son was having his 5th birthday party, 5 years old.